Advantage BLITZ. If you joined me last time, you'll know that we made one of my favourite recovery foods, which is banana pancakes. And today I'm going to show you how to make banana and seed biscuits. These are really great if you just need a snack in the afternoons or in the mornings between your meals. But they're also a really great option for some fueling energy food. So whether you are doing a run or a little workout at home or some yoga, banana seed biscuits are really fantastic at getting some fuel on board to help you feel energized for your workout. So I'm going to show you how to make them now. So when we're thinking about fueling for our workouts, we want to think about getting some carbohydrates on board. Those are what's going to give us the energy we need to be able to get through our session. And when we think about our banana seed biscuits, bananas are going to be our carbohydrate that give us lots of energy. Yes, these are bananas, even though they're brown, they're going to make our biscuits super sweet, so never throw out brown bananas. So like our banana pancakes, one of the best things about banana and seed biscuits is that they are super easy to make and don't require too many ingredients, and they're usually things that you can find in your cupboard. So we start with 1 cup of mixed seeds. I've used pumpkin, sunflower, sesame and flaxseed. Doesn't matter, you can just use whatever you have in your cupboard. I've got 2 ripe bananas. As you can see, these are super ripe. They're very brown. They've been sitting in the fridge for weeks, but never throw them out because they're great to use for things like this. I've got 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter. I'm going to put in maybe a tablespoon or 2 of honey. If you've got really ripe bananas, then you won't need as much honey to add. And I've got some raisins to stir through at the end. I've also heard that chocolate chips are a pretty good addition, that you could use any chopped dried fruit to stir through at the end.